So yeah, we're going to be trading the foreign exchange. We're going to be looking at preferably the JP, the pound against the dollar, preferably. But also this yen has been going crazy recently. So yeah, as you can see, this is a like a introduction to trading. So you're probably looking at this and thinking, you know, what's happening right now? But yeah, I don't expect you to like 100% know what's happening right here. So let's make it a little easier. Let's remove these drawings. Let's remove these, and let's check news. So news today. 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. So at 9 a.m. today, right here, news came out for the dollar. So the dollar's not doing great. That means that at 9 a.m. Okay, so we're on the 15-minute. Let's go to the 5-minute. 9 a.m. Price went down. Price action went down. Still in an uptrend. So I think we're going to be trading this today. We're going to be trading the British pound against the US dollar. Now, when I am trading and I jump into a day trade, first thing I'm looking at is daily bias. So I'm going to be looking at my daily bias, which if you don't know what that is, I'm going to try and explain it to you simply here. So you go to so let's first check the weekly. On the weekly, we're bullish. Bullish means up in the uptrend, bearish means in the downtrend. So if you've heard traders say that, that's what it means. Daily, we are bullish. For hourly, we are bullish in the trend for hourly. Hourly, a little bit of consolidation, but we're bullish. 5-minute, bullish. So this is great. Today I'm going to be paper trading just because it's for this video. But I'm expecting to make good profits. So yeah, market opens in 10 minutes. So I'm going to get back with you. Let me dive deeper into the daily bias real quick, because why do I want to trade this right now? Okay, why are we? Okay, so technically we are bullish right here, but in the 15-minute we are, bearish, but in the 15-minute we are definitely, why isn't it loading? Why is this not loading? Okay. Yeah, we are bullish in the 15-minute. So unless this breaks structure, then we should be good to go. So what are we looking for? Retracement. So let's go back to the trading sessions. No, actually, let's keep it like this for a little bit. So as you can see here, we are currently in an uptrend. We had this fair value gap that was, it got filled. It got disrespected a bit, but we did have this order block. Oh, sorry, we did have this fair value gap too. So it respected that, and it didn't break structure. Especially, well, in the 15-minute, it didn't break structure, right? It disrespected it, but we had this that was right there, and it respected it. So I'm expecting bullish order right now. Obviously, news just hit. News is hitting at 10 a.m. So it's not big impact news. It's just, it's not big impact news, so it shouldn't affect it too much. But here's what we're looking for. Let's delete this. All right. We have a fair value gap here. So we are currently in an uptrend, okay? We have lower lows. We have higher lows and higher highs. So if this fair value gap gets disrespected, that's a retracement, okay? Another thing, if this break of structure right here, right, creates a low. So if this this green candlesticks comes down here and it closes, so it has to be a full candlestick close below this previous low, that's called a break of structure, okay? So this is kind of, I'm trying to simplify this to you because I know how hard it is to understand this shit. So yeah, we're getting into this fair value gap right now. And then we have this order block, which is another retracement, which is right there. So this is an order block. I'll make a video on order blocks, but so why won't I take a trade here? I won't take a trade here, even though it's going up, it was green, and we're in bullish, I guess, price action. Why won't I take a trade here? Because we have this fair value gap that we're currently in, and then we have this order block that we are currently looking to get in. If you look at the previous, look here, if you look at the previous up, down, up, down, up, down, you can see we make higher highs. So we have a high here, right? And then we have a high here. We make a higher high, higher high. Oops. So we have a high here, we have a high here, and then we have a high here. The highs keep going higher, and then the lows, we have a low here, a low here, and a low here. The lows keep getting higher. So most likely, this is probably going to, if the trend continues, sorry. Most likely, it's going to go into that. But we can't predict that. We have to use our confluences, like this fair value gap, this order block. So yeah, we're currently going to disrespect this fair value gap, which makes me think we are going to continue the trend or even more, which is good. So if this closes, it has to close above the fair value gap for it to be inverse fair value gap, which is in 4 minutes. So we'll wait and see that. We don't know yet. If you see it green and then you think it's going to, just because it's above the fair value gap, that it's going to just go, you're mistaken. It has to close above the fair value gap for you to be confident that it's going to continue the trend. Because right now, if this doesn't close above here, above the fair value gap, it could just go right back down there. If it closes above the fair value gap, it's more of a confluence that it's not. So we're looking for price to now go into this order block. Again, if price goes into the order block and then comes down and then goes like that, we'll go in when it breaks structure right here, okay? That's what I'm looking for right now. And then yeah, if we do close above this high, so if this green comes up and forms a close, so it closes 5-minute close above that high, then I would take that trade. I would take that trade. That's what we're looking for right now. That's what we're looking for right now. Sorry, is it? No, it would be this high. Sorry, it would be this high because my block was covering that. So yeah, we're going to mark this block again. Alright, bye! Alright, so yeah, that's where we're at right now. Disrespect the fair value gap, come into the order block. Yeah, I like that. And then we're going to scale to the hourly, and we're going to look for liquidity. So liquidity is a big part of trading that I haven't talked about yet in this video. This is a live day trade, okay? This is not me teaching you about, well, I'm giving you knowledge, but it's also just a live trade. That's kind of what the main point of it is. So we're coming into this order block now. Let me get rid of this for you. Bitcoin is getting flipped off right now. Holy. Take a look at this. Look at this, bro. Oh my god. We've swept. Holy I'd expect it to sweep, honestly, there. Possibly 85. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. How's the S&P ski looking? Alright, not too bad. Okay, so we have a bearish candlestick right now. So let's take a deeper look into this. Price did not hit the order block, which is surprising to me. Again, we can delete this fair value gap now because we disrespected it, but we have a new fair value gap there. So if price is looking to disrespect this fair value gap and kind of blast through it, that's a sign that we might not continue to be bullish. But I don't think this candlestick is gonna stay like this. I think this candlestick will hit the order block, and then we'll see what happens from there. And I need it to close above there, and then I'd look for retracements on the downside. But as of now, it's looking bearish. We're gonna keep that for value gap in there because this is still an order block, and we don't know for sure, you know, what could happen here. We disrespected this, which we already deleted that for value gap. Yeah, a lot of trading is kind of just waiting. Just kind of waiting. You know what I'm saying? Can we go live on Discord? I actually don't know. But I kind of want to do that, you know. Peep the Discord, by the way, boys. So this is a couple, like 20 minutes after I recorded the video. This was that order. Remember this order block that I showed you? It got filled. As soon as the order block got touched, it went back down. Then we hit this low, we had the downtrend, and then we went back up. I put on a trade right here, actually. Break of structure here. I made like 40 bucks. And then I sold at, it hit here. I had to take profit at here. Didn't take profit, so I had to TP stop loss right here. And then now we're on a downtrend. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, subscribe. And let me know how you thought, like what you thought about the video, if you want more.